Indiana Pacers rookie Isaiah Wong has been selected as an injury replacement in the G League Up Next game during NBA All-Star Weekend in Indianapolis, Indiana. The event features 4 teams of 7 players competing in 2 semifinal games.
The 28 players include 10 selected by a fan vote, while the remaining 18 players were selected by the G League and include members of the Ignite and Indiana Mad Ants as the host team. Wong, who is signed to a 2-way contract, will replace Toronto Raptors rookie Marquis Noel, who is dealing with a left hamstring strain.
He will be teammates with the likes of Luka Garza, Wolves, Tyler Smith, Ignite, and Cole Swider, Skyforce. Isaiah Wong, at Zaywong21, is ready to represent at the Mad Ants in Indianapolis. The Pacers 2-way guard has been named to the #G League Up Next game presented by during #NBA All-Star, replacing Marquis Noel on Team Strictly.
pic.twitter.com/dtdgem6fx, NBA G League, at NBA League, February 7, 2024. Wong is averaging 15.8 points, 4 assists and 3.5 rebounds on 41.4% shooting from the field in 30 games with the Mad Ants.
He has produced 7 20-point games, including a career-high 30 points and 4 assists on November 25. More NBA All-Star rumor. Heat rookie Jamie Jaquez Jr. expected to compete in Slam Dunk Contest NBA Rising Stars 2024. Full rosters revealed in draft announcement NBA All-Star Game 2024. The biggest snubs after reserves unveiling.